Hi, now I will tell you how you can create the ranking scanner, means scanners for ranking system. For that purpose, just move to the scans menu and then select group scan. All the scanners will be created using group scan. Now select set group, then choose equity future here as exchange. Choose exchange defined group and choose the current month all futures. Just double click on it and close the box. When after opening the software, when you will first time create the group scan of ranking or any other group scan, or you will load any inbuilt group scan, it will fetch the data only for first time on that group after starting the software. And when it will fetch the data, it will write here data ready. When you will see the data ready, it may take some time to fetch the data. Now just choose the time frame for which you want to create the ranking system. So first time I am going to create for daily period. Now just click on studies button to load that ranking study which you have saved in your system. Click on load button and then choose master ranking demo v2. Master ranking demo v2. You will notice that the study has loaded and it has 493 studies. That means study is loaded correctly. Now just close this box and click on save button, this third button, and give it a name. I give it as ranking daily. Okay, any meaningful name and short name you can give. Then click on save button. Now the scanner has been saved. Now when you will create the scanner for the first time for ranking, you have to scan it, and after scanning we have to do the column setting. Just let it complete, I will tell you. So it has scanned. Now just right click in the script list area and do the column selection. Now just move down and select column number 492 and 493. Column number 492 and 493 of up rank. Yeah, these one, up rank and down rank, and accept. Now just move the columns as you want and then click on save grid button to save the column setting. After that just resize the scanner and put it on the screen where you want to adjust or place that scanner. So we have created the scanner for daily period. In the similar way, we can create ranking scanner for 60 minutes, for 2 hours, for half an hour, for 15 minutes, for 5 minutes, whatever time frame you want. You can discuss for this with Asidji. Now I will show you to create one more scanner for 60 minutes for intraday. So just we have to open a new group scan window from the scans menu, then choose the set group. Process is the same. Choose the set group and current month all futures. Now choose the time frame. Now we are selecting intraday for the first time after starting the software, so it will fetch the data. for intraday also. So I am just taking the 60-minute. Okay, now it will fetch the data. As you can see, it is fetching the data. It will fetch for the first time only. Yes, now it has fetched the intraday data also, and it has written data ready. Now we can proceed with loading the study. Now click on studies button, then load, and then click on master ranking demo v2. Just double click on it, it will get load. Now close this box, and now save this group scan for ranking, and it is a ranking 60 min. Save. Okay, now we will scan it. See, now just right click and select column selection, and now we have to take 492 and 493 column numbers. 492, yes, 492 and 493 column numbers. Then click on accept. Now just move to the front these two columns and click on save grid. Okay, now resize it. Yes, and then place on the screen. I will create one more scan for 15 minutes, so it will be better to understand. Process is same. Select the group, then choose the time frame 15 minutes, then load the study. Okay, now just save the scan. Ranking 15 min. Save. Now scan. Now just right click and do the column selection. Here we have to select column number 492 and 493. Accept. Now move the columns to the front and then click on save grid. Now just resize the scanner and place on the screen where you want. Yes, now if you want to open any chart in this way, basically in this way you can create as many scanners as you want for ranking for different time frames. But different is that you have to create from the scratch and you have to save with different name every time. Okay, now if you want to open a chart, just go to charts menu and click on script chart. From here just open the chart of any script and adjust it on the screen. So in this manner you can open different types of windows on the windows different types of windows on the screen and arrange them those windows over the screen. And now just what we have to do is just go to the Fox Trader or FoxNet menu, the first menu, and click on desktop settings. Here just give a name and save it. What is this? This is a desktop. We call it as desktop. Basically, we are saving this screen which we have created right now for the later use. Later on, when you will just open your desktop, when you will open your desktop, open your basically Fox Trader, then you do not have to create these scans and this screen again and again. You do not have to arrange again and again. Just you have saved your desktop here. Next time I will move here, I will move to the desktop settings, and then I will just double click on ranking. Okay, now click on yes. It will close all open windows and it will load like this your desktop. So your desktop is ready to use. Next time you just have to load your desktop and it will load. Once it will load and fetch the data, it is ready to use. So in this way you can create as many desktops as you want, but at one time you can open only one desktop. So desktop is loaded. Now we have to create on scan button so that it can scan. It will show the result. Okay, now we have to click one by one on scan button. It will scan and will show the result. Okay, now if you want to arrange the ranking on in a particular scan, just click on the column name, so you can arrange the ranking in ascending and descending order like this. So here on daily chart, Apollo is on top with a ranking of 72, and here in 60-minute, Exide Industries is on top with a up ranking of 68, and here Exide Industries also in 15-minute is in the top at 75 ranking. So in this manner you can sort the ranking and you can compare with different time frames. Once you will double click on the chart on any script in any group scan, it will open the chart of that script. See, Exide Industries, I want to see the chart of Apollo, so this is the chart of Apollo. Okay, if I want to see the 15-minute chart, so just change the time frame and you can see the time 15-minute chart of Apollo. Okay, in addition to this, if you want to see just a heat map, just like a heat map of the ranking, up ranking and down ranking, for that purpose just right click on the column name of the ranking and then just move to the conditional formatting and then choose color scale and type of the color you want. Suppose I choose this. So I have applied the color setting. Now you can see this is the heat map like. Now just I will right click on the then conditional formatting and then color scale and then choose the format. Suppose this one. Okay, now just arrange this. See, this is the heat map of this down rank, and this is the up rank. According to yourself, you can choose the color, and then just click on the save grid button, and then also just go to the design tab and click on the save button. So in this manner you can assign the color scale, that is heat map, to the ranking through the color. Now next is, suppose you want to see the ranking, those are above 50 level, up ranking which are above 50 level, and down ranking which is below 50 level. For that purpose you can specify filter. Filter may not, just right click and then go to filter. In filter you can specify, just change it to and to or, like this. Then click on script number and choose column name 492. So like this we have to choose 492 underscore up rank is greater than or equal to 50, and then click on plus sign, and we have to specify the second condition for the down ranking. So for down ranking, choose 493 underscore DNR is less than or equal to minus 50. Then click on apply button and then OK. So now if you will arrange, you will see there will be up ranking will be minimum 50 and down ranking will be minimum 50. So just right click, and there are only 37 records out of 140. So in this manner you can filter out your ranking too, but this ranking may not save. So whenever this is required, you have to do it. Okay, so in this manner you can create your ranking system and use it. Thank you.